It's 1 p.m. in Peoria, Arizona. I've been out pedaling for a very long time, so I'm going to stop here, take a little rest, and then turn around. I'll show you how it started this morning right around 8 a.m. with coffee at McDonald's and then a pit stop at Sundance Park and back on the road. Today I'm going due north on 71st Avenue, the bike lane. I just love noodling through these little neighborhood streets. There's traffic out on the main streets, but not much here, and that's the way I like it. These suburban streets are designed like this intentionally. It's really difficult to try to drive through these neighborhoods, so people don't. They go up to the main streets, which go through, keeps traffic very light on the back streets. There's a main street up there called Cactus Road, but I'm not going up there. I'm going to stay noodling around in the neighborhood streets, work my way through to, well, where I'm going to go next for more coffee. Thank you for noodling around the neighborhood with me this morning, and I hope that you'll ride along with me next time. I can kind of smell the fresh coffee at Jack in the Box. I'm going to make a stop there, and then I'll keep going.